quickly, you may be trying to figure out how to make money to cover an unexpected expense, or because you want to start saving for a specific financial reason, like increasing your emergency fund. Whatever the reason, several of these ideas don't need a lot of effort. You're not alone, and it is achievable. Continue watching this video if you're looking for ways to make money. You can use some of these options regularly to earn an extra $1,000 per month. Make sure to check out the links in the description if you're interested in signing up with any of the sites we recommend. Benefits from welcome bonuses earn smaller amounts, but when added together, they can total up to $1,000 when you need to make money quickly. Using sign-up bonuses is one way to accomplish this. In this case, websites will pay you just for joining and creating a profile with them. Be sure to double-check your email address, though. Because of this, making this money is totally free and relatively quick. Some websites that provide this are Swagbucks, $5, although they occasionally raise this to $10. It's best to check the link to see if that additional bonus is active. $20 on Ibotta, $20 on Rakuten, $5 in Inbox dollars. There's $50 for you for just a few minutes of work. Utilizing referral bonuses is another effortless way to earn money online. You can combine this with the sign-up bonuses you received in the previous step. To do this, you invite your friends or family to download apps using your unique link. The app will reward you with money only for the additional sign-up when they do this. Some of the apps that do this and let you and your friends sign up for them are as follows. Swagbucks, $3 per referral plus 10% of all earnings from friends for life. Ibotta, $5 for every referred customer. Rakuten, $25 per referred customer. Inbox Dollars offers a referral bonus of $1 and 30% lifetime earnings. Having two friends sign up for any of these could earn you $120 right away when combined with your welcome incentives. Companies place a high value on market research, so they frequently agree to pay you to provide them with this data. Joining survey websites that pay you through PayPal is one of the most well-known ways to do this. By responding to questions on various themes, you can use these to make a little additional money in your own time. Our top picks for the best survey sites are as follows: Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, Point Club, Swagbucks, and MyPoints. Concentrating only on survey sites won't be enough if you need to figure out how to make $1,000 quickly. For this reason, you should search for any sponsored focus groups you might be able to join. For instance, Survey Junkie frequently offers possibilities for focus groups where you need to earn up to $150 per hour just for participating and completing a few questions. These often take an hour, but it makes for an excellent way to approach your $1,000 target. Here's a handy tip. Your first move after signing up for Survey Junkie and validating your email address should be to go to your settings and choose the option that will notify you when new focus group opportunities are available. Given how much they pay, they fill up quickly, so doing this will give you better chances that you can get to the front of the line each time. Another effortless way to earn extra cash is by using cashback apps on items you would already be purchasing. Ibotta is, without a doubt, my favorite app for accomplishing this. The app gives you a few bucks back for nearly everything you buy, including groceries, clothing, prescription drugs, and even alcohol, if you're of legal buying age. It's true that you won't make $1,000 by just doing this. However, it's a surefire method to generate additional weekly money from what you'd already be doing. The best part about Ibotta is that it's free to use, and you may get a fantastic $20 sign-up bonus simply for using your first offer. Starting your blog is another way that can help you earn $1,000 quickly online, if not more. This is true, even if you're seeking other ways to increase your income. The fact that you can launch your new website in less than 20 minutes is really helpful. It takes time to get your website to the point where it can generate this much revenue, but once you reach that point, you might be surprised at how simple it is to make $1,000 quickly per month blogging. Many bloggers can make this much in a single day. Are you considering starting a blog to earn money? Great decision. After all, it's among the most affordable internet businesses to launch, costing less than $3 per month. Less than the price of a cup of coffee. Bluehost, unquestionably the best website hosting for beginners, will cost you just that much to start your website. As a bonus, you'll get a free domain name. Bluehost makes it easy to get started without having any prior technical knowledge. Check out our video, How to Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing, to learn more and get started making money online with your blog. Virtual assistants help businesses virtually with any online task they might need more time to complete. With how easy it is to get started, it had to make this list. Being a virtual assistant can entail clerical tasks like email sorting and replying. But it can also encompass so much more, such as updating the company's social media pages or writing, editing, and publishing blog posts on their website. Check out our video, How to Start Earning on Upwork, the ultimate guide, if you want to learn how to get started fast. Making some additional money while you don't have to use any extra effort isn't as hard to do as it sounds. Acorns is proof of this. They do this by rounding up the change from whatever you purchase to the next dollar and uses the extra change to invest. For instance, if you spend $5.46 on a sandwich, the additional 54 cents will be automatically transferred to a different account by Acorns. After you reach $5 in that account, Acorns will automatically invest that for you. Doing this will take some time to achieve $1,000, so this shouldn't be your only plan of attack. Acorns is ideal for anyone who believes they never have any money left over each month to save, as you'll be doing just that without even realizing or having to think about it. This is the starting point for developing a long-lasting saving habit. Being a tutor is a fantastic method to quickly earn $1,000 online, since you can work whenever you want on any subject you choose. An excellent example of this is VIP Kid, which pays you to instruct Chinese students in English online. With them, you may make an average of $22 per hour, and they prepare all your lesson plans. You sign up anytime you like, teach the kids assigned to you, and you'll be paid. If you already work in an industry where you have experience, becoming an internet freelancer is a terrific method to make extra money quickly. Why not work for yourself as a freelance accountant if you enjoy math? Or if you have exceptional graphic design skills, why not work as a freelancer and create anything from company reports to exclusive logos? If you're not sure if you have skills that would allow you to work as a freelancer, there are great sites to help you learn skills. Try checking out Coursera, Codecademy, or Skillshare. As you can see, it's easier than you may think to make $1,000 quickly, even if you find yourself in a situation where you must figure out how to make $1,000 in a single day. By making a few straightforward adjustments to some current parts of your life, such as your finances, you may already have the opportunity to earn this kind of money. None of us, I'm sure, would pass on an additional $12,000 per year. If you can change your financial perspective to earn an extra $1,000 each month, your future self will undoubtedly appreciate it. You might even make some of these side jobs your primary source of income. Did I miss any websites or apps you use to make some extra income? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video insightful and want to learn more, make sure to check out this other video.